Yes, guys, you're a beginner trader. I'm going to be showing you one of the best ways to analyze the market. Yeah. So trading is actually a language, just like there's a language, there's a sign language. You must understand the chart language. You must understand for you to succeed in the forex industry. It is very essential that you understand the communications of the chart. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you one of the languages of the chart so that when the market says buy, you agree with it and also buy. So in most cases, people will just be buying or selling randomly, and the market will be reversing or going against their action. Why? It's because they are not aligning their actions with the communication of the market. Are we together? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you when you understand the trading language, yeah, like you can see here we're on the USD chart. When you understand the trading language, you will move in sync with the market. When the market says let's buy, you will be ready there to buy. When the market says let's sell, you will not be doing what you do or you want to do, but rather you will be doing what the market wants to do. Yeah. So I've been trading for over 9 years, and yeah, I think I'm doing these videos to help somebody out there that it could help somebody shift their trading, become profitable. I could show you. I'm actually I'm almost finishing up an FTMO. If you can see here, the things I'm going to be teaching you actually apply them. Yeah. So this is an account that I've been trying to manage, and the target for this account is 5%, and it's left with about $500 because it's a 100K account. So, but you can see the consistency score, how you know the maximum daily drawdown and maximum loss, just 2%. So the things I'm going to be showing you are going to be helping you. So without further ado, let's go into it. Number one, uh, the trading language heavily relies on the concept of trend. So all of us know this, but I'm going to show you how exactly to put this, how it actually, because when you look at the real chart, yeah, the market doesn't move like this. When you look at it, it seems not to move like that. But this is what we are taught in textbooks, that when the market is in an uptrend, you have the market making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher, you know. And if the market is reversing, it will break and start to make lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this is what we are taught that happens in the market. So I'm going to reveal to you how we use this concept in the real chart. Now, the market always uses this principle. This is the baseline of the market trading language. Any chart that you will bring moves in this. So the second concept that we are going to look at is the concept of time frame. So the concept of time frame now helps you brings this thing alive, because the market will be moving like this, like this, like this, but on different time frames. If you look at the daily, the market will be in an uptrend. Yeah? But when you go to the H4, you will find that we have a downtrend and an uptrend, a downtrend and an uptrend. So you need to reconcile those trends by combining multiple time frames. Yeah. So lastly, you need the concept of, to find entry, you will need to understand order blocks. Yeah, so I've created a tool that helps us identify order blocks. As you can see, the market is always returning from these levels or these blue areas. Yeah, so those blue areas are the order blocks that the market is returning from. So this tool helps us identify those order block areas. Yeah, so those are the three things that are crucial understand the trading language. Now let's get into it. We're going to begin with a daily, and on the daily chart, what you want to do is you want to use the line chart. Yeah. So when we use the line chart, this brings up exactly what we've been talking about. You can see the market is making. You want to identify a trend and then correlate it with a lower time frame. So when you're using the best time frames to use, we have the weekly, we have the daily, and then we have the 4 hour. Yeah. So these are the three time frames that are going to be crucial and important for you to understand and predict what the market is going to do next. Yeah. So let's look at we are on the USDJPY pair. So we want to identify a new trend and catch a new trend. So like here we can see the market was lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then the market did an impulse to the upside. So after we know that the market has shifted here, we know the market is going to, we have already broken this. What we anticipate is a push up. Yeah. So in this area, now when we go to the H4, you will notice that the market in that area will start to make bearish impulses. So we want the market to shift on the H4 before we look for an entry. Yeah. So a good example happened here. If we go to the daily, we bring our line chart. You will notice that the market higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the market had just made a new lower low here on the daily. So knowing that the daily is bullish, yeah, we anticipate a push up. Yeah. So when we go to the H4, we will observe that there is a downtrend. On the H4, you can see we have a bit of a downtrend that shifts. So as soon as we get a shift, this shift starts to align with the overall daily trend. So that is now where we look for the order block, the last order block, and we take a trade on that order block. Yeah, so as simple as that. So those are the three steps to consider. The first is you want to look for trend alignment. Two, you will have to consider multiple time frames. The daily gives you bias, that is the direction, and then you'll have to use the H4 for entry, and then lastly, the entry point is going to be an H4 order block. Yeah. So I hope you use this information and helps you improve your trading. For those of you that want this tool, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can follow the link and get the order block too.